formal education so that they can pursue their career in various activities. In the free time, they are advertising of thinking over the of their colleges. There is a organization not understanding. Students do not understand what we think of slow process. This is a organization not practical people.
Traditions, you don't follow traditions in modern education, but we follow traditions for Asian education, and Gurukuls did not charge fees like modern education. Here in modern education, schools and colleges only charge fees and give less personality knowledge, and like students are becoming lazy and technology supported and dependent on things, but in the ancient education, self-discipline was not here. This is found in modern education, but self-discipline is not available in modern education, because in ancient education, self-discipline was there. Here it is not there.
Technology harms us, but whatever should have found was from the AI.
कहीं पर
Already the point is this is not AI, but in Asian education, teachers give students homework, they sit and they use their brain and do their homework. Whereas now, everyone has copied from the phone. AI is true that we have copied from AI, and the way we know how to copy from AI is because technology has increased, we have solved everything. So this is the problem we're solving. We are not using much of a brain because we have created AI because in less time we can find anything anywhere using AI. Without using our brain, we have taken this AI because we have in ancient times they used to go home, find a solution and do. But whereas we sit and not do meditation exercise, we sit at home and find a solution because we have done AI, we have done AI for this purpose. But we not doing anything somewhere and wasting our time. We can use our time for any other purpose.
AI also human being also created by their own brain, right? Like computers, AI, everything is made of what is it? Created by modern education, not by ancient education. Ancient education.
China is saying in modern education they are increasing the technology, whereas in ancient education they were increasing the brain power. In modern education we use a lot of technology. By using modern education we started video conferencing and video calls, online classes. In the ancient education it was not there. And in modern education we are saving our time. And in ancient they used to travel from one place to another place to communicate each other. Not how you want it. But now English all were fluent in ancient. But now you don't ask people to understand it. If you ask any question, they'll be speaking labyrinth. From ancient times.
You are not at the point of the modern education now. And we are not supposed to speak.
But their memory already they starting this term. And he said that they started in ancient and modern education. Then why they were famous for 200 years under the British rule? If they were having some other, why did they change the British? Why they were under British for 200 years?
Instead of using their mind, they are using AI, WhatsApp, YouTube, Google Mind.
In British period, Russian was started. No, ma'am, but in ancient times they started modern education. So
No, you were saying one point, right? Like, why did they give chase the British? After British, they only had started their modern education.
but when you say that ancient education was so brilliant that they had for any problem they have solutions also.
Only thing is, Indians were not able to translate in English, but more knowledge was there in our India.
They were Indians for 20 years.
This was only common language was used in English, like the code language, whatever the judges language was English. So our Indians are not able to communicate. That is the problem. It's all the teachers was here in India. Okay. Good.
They were forced to memorize everything, but it is wrong. Knowledge was passed down by memorization.
say in olden days, they were not able to understand the formulas. But my country, who invented zero? When modern education or in ancient education? Then how you understand the
Yes, now, right? But as you said, it was not, biology, science was not important. But as we are becoming modernized, we should know about them, right? So that we can solve any problem in the future, right?
We can solve any maths problem, but not other situation problem, right? Help us to read modern education. Modern education help us to face complexities of 21st century. We are in 21st century, so we need to know about modern education, not about ancient education.
Teacher will go there. They will, if they don't know, they will ask the teacher, right? In modern education, if you see, the student, despite of asking the teacher, directly they will search in AI, the brain of AI. They will search in that, not using their own knowledge, okay? And if the teacher, in modern education, if the teacher give any note to the student will say, why do you fear when Google is there? They will say like that.
Yes.
Right. They will be their own knowledge, but they are, despite of them, they are searching in Google, AI.
In ancient education, they was giving education only for males, but in ancient education, there was more safety for women because for the boys, they was teaching discipline to respect towards women. Whereas in modern education, they are giving education to both the gender, but no safety, no.
Well, they are teaching us to give respect for women, but here in modern education, they are also teaching the same. But now, only also they are teaching the same so that they can fight if they can have sexual harassment, they can fight right.
I couldn't agree with this because I'm not saying we have not been educated. In ancient times, women were safer. Males were getting that type of education.
Here, women have courage enough to fight against the men.
I'm not saying that in ancient education, they taught the boys, they did not teach the girls to fight. They taught the boys how to respect women.
you give question very
Is that after teaching also they did that will be how they are not correct, but in ancient was right. Women got self-respect, self-discipline, and they are self-defensive fighters. About fighting, like we're talking about education. This questioning right because of modern education. Modern education has made the world to sit here. In ancient, they was teaching the practical skills, while in modern education, technology, AI, Google,
Well, practical things is already taught. Why should we do it again? We can do practical things or self-respect, confidence,
learn how to make modern education easy. Learn how to interact with the people by WhatsApp, Google. In those days, you have to go to the people, go speak, learn everything in that place, and then HPMD, some type of diseases, whereas in ancient education it was got corona or some type of diseases.
Why don't you take the expiry date before it? Why don't you take the expiry date before it?
First of all, if it's expired or not, it is made of chemicals, it's nothing.
It is also made up of natural ingredients.
Can you please say the products which is made naturally?
In the older time, we don't know what is the sickness only. So we will be waiting for the treatment and prepares all. But in the modern education, immediately they are finding the sickness and
Only males are getting education, now females are also getting education. But now we are talking about the modern education versus ancient education. So in ancient education, the education was more practical, okay, more practical, more theoretical. Whereas now we are keeping the books, pens, writing, learning.
you are also doing the same thing.
But I'm saying in ancient was not like that. It was using our memory power, brain power to learn.
That is true. That is true. I agree with that. Now only writing, learning, and then memory was used.
It will harm because you're putting so many books are here. You're saying we are recycling. But also, first of all, before we can't take a recycle, we have to cut, then we have to recycle. What would you do when using ancient times? In ancient times, we were learning from, we were like memorizing everything, not even memorizing. What teachers said, they understood the concept. Literature, how to do. When we eat in school, it was permanently upon that. Whereas the platform is just watching what is doing.
Okay, really I appreciate what you prepared. Slowly you make use of your brain. That means you are going to the ancient time. Understood? Then after this you are coming here and there. Even you are using a modern time also. Modern time you need some what useful. Older time they learn along with their life skill plus how to live their life. How to challenge the problems. Whatever we learn from AI, computer, Google, whatever this. Both the things are very good. There is the argument. You have what I wanted to tell you.